Is your Facebook page showing recommendation suspended or limited monetization even though it says no content violations? Don't panic. In this video, I am going to show you the exact mistake that triggers this error and the hidden way to talk to a real meta human agent to fix it instantly. Let's dive in. First, look at this. I opened my page, Velvet Luna, and went to the professional dashboard. Here it shows two conflicting things. On one hand, it says no content violations and no restrictions on your page. But right below that, look at this nightmare. Your recommendation is suspended, and under monetization, you can see it shows limited monetization. Like many of you, I tried everything to solve this on my account. I spent days dealing with AI chatbots, Meta Pro AI, and automated support. Then I finally figured out the main issue. I was enrolled in the Facebook bonus program and had earned around 56. To get more views, I made a huge mistake. I shared my own bonus reels. And there was a warning like Facebook says, Facebook monetization policy strictly states that you cannot share your own bonus program reels. Doing this flags your account for inauthentic engagement, which triggers these restrictions. Solution, like what I did. So how did I fix it? Here is the ultimate hack. I bought Meta Verified on my main profile. Not on my page, on my main profile they see tones. Remember, buy it on your main profile or account, not the page. Go for the standard plan. Even if it costs around $1,300, it is 100% worth it. You can always unsubscribe after 1 month once your issue is resolved. Once you get verified, a magic blue button appears at the bottom. In the support section, as you go in the support section, you'll see a get support option. Click on that, bypass the bot, and you will see a message like your case has been transferred to the personal agent to assist you. This is the real thing. As you can, I'll show you in my screen. As you can see, I was connected to a real human agent named Rupa. After interacting with the chatbot initially, the live agent took over. If you scroll down, you can see he clearly explained the exact policy violation to me. Notice, these 3 support cases right now. I messed up the first 2 times, but on my 3rd ticket, I finally got the right agent who is helping me clear this mess. Okay, so if your page is stuck in AI bot hell, getting Meta verified for a month is the fastest way to talk to a real person and save your monetization. And if this video helped you, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more real tech fixes. See you all. Bye.